I received some spam calls back to back, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to show those who have asked how you can now delete and report junk. It's just a little different, but it's not hard to find. I got a message. I got 3 calls. I'll play the caller.
Recents, +1, 4708, missed call, incoming Cedartown, GA, 10:12 a.m., button.
This call is from Georgia. It is a spam call. I will play the message for you. I'm in the phone app, and I'm going to play a spam message.
+1, 4708.
That is the call I got this morning. I got 3 of them in a row. Let me go to the message and play that.
Voicemail, heading.
Here we are in voicemail. I'm going to do a single finger swipe to the right.
Recents, unread +1, 4708, 10:13 a.m., P58,429. I noticed some potential issues with your tax filings that could lead to increasing penalties or complications if left unresolved. But good news, there are relief options available that will reduce and remove obligations and stress over back to them. These opportunities are time sensitive, and waiting too long might limit your options. My goal is to review your situation, walk you through what's available, and help you take the next steps to get this sorted out. Please give me a call at 2025. I'm here to help make this as straightforward as possible. My assistants William and Alicia are also available to assist at 323-48. If you believe this message was sent in error or you no longer need assistance, just press 3 when you call back to be removed from our contact list.
This is a scam or spam to the max. First of all, the call originated out of Georgia. This person wants me to call Washington, D.C. 202 is his number, or call his associates at 323, which is Los Angeles, California. First of all, I don't live in Georgia. Secondly, why would I want to live in Georgia and call Washington, D.C. to have my taxes done? And number 3, why do I need to call California again to speak to people where I wouldn't have my taxes done? So you can also tell by the messages whether or not they are a spam or scam. Another thing is, he's telling me he noticed my taxes. First of all, I never lived in any of those states. I never did taxes in any of those states. So how is he going to notice that I'm paying more money or too much money for taxes? So sometimes you can just pay attention to what they're saying to you to know it's a spam or scam. If you put your detective hat on and you start looking at what they're telling you, you will know right away something smells fishy. And then you can just delete it. What I do, I don't even answer my phone anymore. I get so many spams and scams because AT&T got hacked months ago. And ever since then, I get a flood of calls. I must get 40 spam calls a day. So I just don't listen to them, and I don't even open them. And at the end of the day, before I go to bed, I just delete all the spam and scam. I just happened to be working on my phone this morning when all those calls kept coming in. And I mean, they started at, I think, 7:30. So I'm like, this person must be desperate. Keep calling. But that's what they're trying to do. They want to get into your business. They probably get your social security number, get your job income, your address, whatever. Everything that goes on tax forms. And then they can complete a fraud. Create a profile with your name and information on it. So be very careful. I know some people don't pay attention and they click buttons by accident. I am going to go back to the call log.
+1, 4708, missed call, incoming Cedartown, GA, 10:12 a.m., button.
Now I am going to swipe up or down. I'm going to swipe down in this instance, and we'll go through the new features that iOS 26 gives you.
More info.
More info.
Trash.
Trash, which is also like delete.
Remind me in 1 hour.
You can get reminded.
Remind me tonight. Remind me tomorrow. Remind me later. Block.
You can block.
Activate default.
You can activate it.
More info.
And you can get more info.
Trash.
And then we start over.
More info. Activate
It starts
default.
over at more info. Now what I am going to do is go back to block.
Block.
I'm going to do a single finger double tap.
Alert. You will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime calls from people on the block list. You can also report this call as spam by sending it to AT&T from your phone number.
I have AT&T. If you have a different mobile provider, your mobile provider will be announced there.
Block button.
Block, I don't want that. I want to block and report junk.
Block and report spam button.
Now it doesn't say junk anymore, but it says spam. I don't care. It's all the same to me. Spam, junk, scam, all the same. So I'm going to do a single finger double tap to get rid of it.
Recents +1 4708. Missed call. Incoming Cedartown, GA. 10:12 a.m. button.
Now it repeats it back to you. So I'm just going to swipe up till I hear trash so I can throw it away.
More info. Trash.
Single finger double tap.
Block +1 7708. Missed call. Incoming spam risk.
And that's all you do. This tip has been offered by Anita of Sightless Living. If you would like more information on how to block and delete calls and text messages on your iPhone, visit the Sightless Living channel on YouTube.